Surviving another year, the 2022 Kia Rio is better than you'd expect of a subcompact. While others have abandoned the segment entirely, Kia continues to support entry-level buyers who don't want the larger Forte sedan. For the 2022 model year, the Rio returns mostly unchanged and continues to be offered as a sedan or hatchback. The Kia Rio impresses in the subcompact segment. When we drove the 2021 Rio hatchback, we praised its confident road manners. Although not quick by any means, it's zippier than rivals. The engine makes quite a bit of noise getting up to speed, but power delivery is smooth and linear. The Rio's suspension does a good job preventing the driver and passengers from being jostled by bumps in the road. The Kia Rio is ultimately a car for people looking to get from point A to point B. Still, it deserves praise for accomplishing that mission with so much poise. Both the Rio sedan and hatchback feature a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with 120 horsepower and 112 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels through a CVT automatic. In our tests, the 2021 Rio hatchback hit 60 miles per hour in 8.6 seconds, making it quicker than the 2020 Yaris hatch, 9.4 seconds, and Versa sedan, 9.7 seconds. The 2022 Kia Rio sedan and hatchback come standard with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, plus wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 4-speaker audio system with 2 tweeter speakers is also standard. A rear USB charging port is standard on the hatchback, and standard on the upper S-trim sedan. Optional goodies include automatic temperature control and push-button start. In recent years, we've seen several subcompact cars leave the US market. Ford no longer sells the Fiesta, discontinuing the model and its fun-to-drive street variant after the 2019 model year. Around the same time, Nissan axed the Versa Note, Fiat dumped the 500, and Toyota got rid of its Prius C, which couldn't come close to the fuel economy achieved by the larger Prius.